Hi guys, welcome to my channel. I've decided to make this game. It's a kind of a game, it's not really a game. I posted this morning on my page, Instagram page, and on Twitter to say why not do something new for me to guess which beauty guru I'm copying during the video, during the tutorial I made. For that you have to subscribe to my channel, to subscribe to my Instagram page please, to support, and just to make the comment below during the tutorial and to see which of the beauty guru that I respect all of them, because I'm really impressed by the job, because it's a job, it's really a job, not for me because I'm not a beauty guru at all, I'm not a makeup artist, I'm just here for fun. So yeah, I just want to see with you guys who are really makeup addict, as you said, yeah, if we can play together, if we can follow the same beauty gurus together, because I really like those channels, YouTube channels. It makes me relax, it makes me chill, that's the purpose. So go for it, and if you enjoy, just please comment, give me your thoughts, give me your ideas about it, and let me know. That's it. Guys, it's me, Dida.